Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your OBS game capture is experiencing a black screen issue on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you're going to have to do underneath Sources, go ahead and click the little plus button. And then you're going to select where it says Display Capture. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you're going to go ahead and select OK. And now you should be good to go. It should say the display resolution as well as the capture method. That should all be default. You shouldn't have to change any of that here. And then you'll select OK. And that's all you have to do. And if you wanted to modify any of these settings in the future, you just could right click on the source down here and then modify it. But generally speaking, you shouldn't have to do anything down there. And that should pretty much be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.